Perfect. 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 Perfect.
All right. Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It is always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, and welcome back to Trade Intuition. Yes, where we show you how to successfully trade without all the boring, complicated terms, pattern memorization. That stuff's boring. Who wants that? I don't. I mean, I can barely remember my own name, let alone all the candle body sticks, what they're called, all the pattern names, how they're going to move, potentially 68% chance, 74% chance. Nah, let's just stick to support, resistance, trend lines. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. That's what I do. All right. So happy you're here, guys. So happy you're here. Thank you so much for smashing the likes. We have a great show. We have a great show ahead of us. Of course, we're going to talk about Bitcoin and some of the coins that we've been looking at. In addition to that, the book of Meow, is happening right meow. It really is. So it's going crazy, guys. And this is just the beginning. If you're missing these coins, don't worry about it. Everybody's going to want you to FOMO because all they're doing is making you buy their bags. That's it. Alexa, mute. Okay. There's an echo in here when she doesn't listen. All right, moving on. Okay, so let's get started. So let's go and see if there's any chat. No chat there. Do we have anybody on the Twitter? Yes, we do. So happy people from Twitter. My name is Joe. Thank you so much for being here. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please let me know, and we'll get that for you. This is a 1 hour dedicated to you to help you learn how to trade. If you have questions on indicators, if you have questions on divergence, patterns, anything, let me know. There are no dumb questions. They're either questions we've had before or haven't thought of yet. So that's super, super important. And what I do is I go from the ground up. I make sure that we have a solid foundation so anything that we build on top of it doesn't crumble. Very important, because if you don't have the basics, anything that you learn, forget it. It's not going to hold water. It's not going to hold. All right, moving on. Good Lord, I still hear the echo. All right, it's okay. Let's see here. We got some people coming in the chat. Awesome. Let's look at Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? Let's zoom out. Let us just zoom out. All right, so we do see that Bitcoin it came up and it came down, and it came up and it came down, and it came up, and then it tried really hard right here, and it couldn't do it. Could not do it. Tried 3 times, third time's a charm, and no. Here we were doing, let's zoom in. We're doing a low, higher low, looking great. Then what happened? We broke this level, did a retest, couldn't do it, came down. And now we're over here. Now we're down here. So right now, what Bitcoin needs to do is it needs to break above 68.6. It needs to break above it, show us that it has strength so that it can continue going up. Right now, we're looking at possibly this, and then maybe even just breaking up. This is what everybody's wanting. Everybody's wanting this. But if it comes down, I'm happy too. You know, there's always a plus and a minus to everything. If Bitcoin does come down, all the sheep, which is everybody who doesn't know how to think for themselves, they're going to sell because, well, we're told that when Bitcoin dumps, sell your coins, sell your coins. And that's what everybody does. Your mentors taught you this. Their mentors taught them that. Their mentors, etc., etc. Who was the first one? I mean, think about it. I'm not a foil hat person, but who was the first one who was teaching people? Could it be the market makers? Could it be in the best interest of the market makers when Bitcoin goes down, everybody sells their alts so that the market makers can buy Bitcoin and the alts at a really low price? And then, of course, all of us sheep say, wait a minute, it stopped dumping. Let me enter the trade. And then it starts going up again. Think about it, guys. Think about it. Now, do I sell because Bitcoin dumps? No, sure don't. If I see that my coin is dumping, I'll just move up my stop loss. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. There's a lot of times where it doesn't. It comes down maybe 8%, 12, finds support, and then continues up. And then gives me 20, 30, 40%. And that's depending on where we're at in the market. But do I follow the herd? No, I don't. I think for myself. And it's okay. It's okay to be different. That's what my mom said when I put on that helmet and got into my short yellow limo. Yep, there was other people in there too, but it's all right. All right, moving on. Let's see here. So we do have this level that we're trying to break above, 68.6. Hopefully it does. If we don't, if we break below this yellow trend line and 65.2, we're looking for a world of hurt. We have a low volume node. I already told you that I don't need the VRVP to look smart. I need way more than that, the VRVP. If we do put this on here, what? Man, I'm a genius. Look at this. This is a low volume node. Get out of here. I don't need this stuff. You can just see it. It's a pump. It's obviously a pump. But for those that want to look smart, it is called the VRVP. It is the visible range volume profile. I need a lot more than this to make me look smart. I'm telling you right now, guys. I'm telling you right now, I need a lot more than that. You can use the visible range, or you can use the fixed range profile. You can use all these different indicators. You can use the Bollinger Bands. You can use all this other stuff. If you use it and it works, great. I'll be Tony the Tiger for you. I will be Tony the Tiger for you. I will be cheering in your corner. Use it. Use it until it doesn't work. For me, I go and I look at all the stuff, all the indicators, and I see how they actually work, how they actually help. And it amazes me so much. All these big YouTubers, all these big influencers, they're teaching you wrong. But I don't have a voice, you know, and with them, they're successful. Why are they successful? It's a numbers game. If you flip a quarter, you know, a whole bunch of times, you know, hopefully you win more than you lose. And that's what they're doing. But it is what it is. All right, moving on. Joe, stop about that stuff. Stop about that. All right, moving on. Let's get out of this. Okay, so we're looking at Bitcoin. We did Bitcoin. And now, let's see here. Do we have any... Let's see here. We do have Ian says... And Ian's very smart, so listen to Ian. What does he say? I think a lot of bots are programmed to sell when Bitcoin dumps. When Bitcoin dominance pulls back. I believe it. I believe it. Okay, and I believe that's it. Okay, good stuff. Good stuff. Let's check to see anybody on Twitter commenting. No comments on Twitter. Okay, no problem. I'll check back on Twitter in just a moment. All right, so let's go ahead and look at, what do y'all want to look at next? Y'all want to look at Book of Meme? Let's do Book of Meme. Okay, let's see here. Lenny Kid 777. Nice to have you here, man. I'm loving your content, Joe, and I'm now reprogramming myself. You have to, brother. You have to. Like everything that I show you, sometimes it's very difficult to comprehend because we've been programmed on, oh, the moving average is a magnet. The price action always goes back to the moving average. The moving average is a support resistance level. It's not. I show you how, I show you why, I show you when, I show you who, I show you the who, what, where, when, especially the why. Because we have been duped. All these traders, all these influencers, all these mentors, all they do is they read a website and they regurgitate it to you. I don't. I give you my experience. I give you my experience of how stuff really works and the pitfalls and everything else. So I'm very happy you found this, very happy you found this channel. Make sure to subscribe, notification bell, the whole nine. We go live every single day at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, the best part about this is I give you all my secrets. I don't say, oh, I can't tell you that part. You got to join my $99 an hour mentorship. No. My job is to make you money. And then if you want to join my VIP, go for it. Great. You want to join somebody else's VIP? Go for it. Great. But I am so motivated to make you money so that you can join, hopefully, this VIP. There's a lot of people that they want your money and then, oh yeah, we have videos, we have all this stuff. You'll learn and everything. And then you pay for it. You get in there, it's like, hey, man, you're giving out 20 charts a day? Really? Like, I can do better than this. Oh, well, there's no refund. Sorry. Now you're up the creek. Here, I make you money first. If you like it, then you go into the VIP where you make more money, more setups. Well, not more setups, but just, well, yeah, more setups. But we don't give 10 or 20. We do maybe 1, 3 a day. Yesterday, I think I did 1. Day before that, maybe 1, I think. Day before that was like 3. Like 3 days before that was 0. Today, did I give a chart today? I don't think I did. Because I wait. I do all the waiting for you. All right, enough of that. My nose itches. It says, thank you, man. Appreciate that. Let's see here. Yeah, here's another one. Let volume be your guide. Man, I debunk volume. Get out of here. Man, I debunk volume. That gets me so mad. I mean, that duped so many people. Continues to dupe people. I have videos. And matter of fact, I just did a video in the free group. The free group, I apologize, is full. Monday, we may have some vacancies. I'm not too sure. In order to be in the free group, there are some prerequisites you have to do. Some people find it very valuable as far as the content goes, and some people think that they shouldn't do some of the requirements. It's fine. Bye. Can't join back in a year, 365 days, so no problem. But there are a lot of people that do find value in it, so what they're doing is they're doing all the work that needs to be done. They're helping me out. So if we do get vacant, we have a long wait list. Very happy to say that. We have a very long wait list. The free group is booming, and we're making money in there. And again, my goal for the free group is to make them money so they get the VIP. So when they do, then a spot opens. But, all right. Yeah, let volume be a guide. What a joke, man. What a joke. But anyway, so we did this one. I did a video. It was on YouTube Shorts and also TikTok this morning, right when it was here, and it went up almost 45%. Almost 45% before people started taking profit, which is absolutely fine. I would really like to see more. This doesn't stop. This does not stop. I would love for it to come down even further. And now we were hoping in the golden pocket. Not anymore. Not anymore. Now this has changed. Now we have a new pivot. Now our golden pocket is... Where's the golden pocket? Just a little bit. Nope. Oh, these things are confusing me. Okay, let me get rid of these. This is confusing me. That's confusing me big time. Where's my golden pocket? Oh, golden pocket's way up here now. Okay. So I would like to see it come into the golden pocket. Do I think it's going to happen? Nope, sure don't. There's too much fire on this. Too much fire. So if I was going to enter this trade, I'm not in this trade. If I was going to enter this trade, what I would do is I would put a portion right now, just because there's so much hype, there's so much FOMO into this. I wouldn't put 100% of my portfolio or my entry. How much would I do? I'd say I'd do a third. I would do a third of my entry right here. So we'll do a third of my entry, take this off, and we'll put 1/3 right there. And then let's see if it comes down. If it comes down, great. I would love for it to come down to maybe even here, because it's got too much power. And then once it breaks above the 382, which is roughly, let's do Alt J, which is roughly 0.06319, then I would enter another third to see if in fact it gains support and then breaks above the next level of 0.07361. I'll put my last third there. That's what I would do. If it comes up, that's plan. I was going to say that's plan A, but I don't think it's going to come down. But nobody knows. Nobody knows. So that's plan B. So plan A would be we enter a third now. It comes, it finds some resistance, it comes down, then it goes up. Then what I would do, once it breaks this level, I would enter my third. I would let it retrace, find support wherever it finds. It can find it down here, it can find it up here, it can continue going higher, then pull back a little bit, then start curving up. Then wherever it finds support, you enter your last third. Of course, nothing on this channel is financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. And I do hope you're entertained. I really do, guys. So that's what I would do on that. Let's see here. Ian says, I always hated Sunday night, Monday morning, expect volatility. Okay. So how does that help me? And that was said every single Sunday night. Every single, oh my gosh. Grant, Mr. Grant says, oh, I can't read that. I need my bifocals. Bifocals. Let's take this one off. Let's go this one. There we go. Evening, Joe and members. Let's see. Can you look at PRQ? Is that Parsec? I love Parsec. Please, on the daily and weekly time frame. Looks like a good project. Got a big rounded bottom with good steady uptrend. 40 million market cap. Sounds about right. Let's see. It's AI, Web3. Your thoughts? This is an absolutely perfect way to ask for a chart. They give it the token name, PRQ. They give what time frame they're looking at. They give their thought process on it. They give me the market cap. So that helps me with my thought process on entry. It tells me what it is, AI, Web3. Wow. I'm impressed. I am impressed. All right. Well, let's do this. Let's do this on a YouTube. That way we don't show you any of our VIP charts. And there are times where I do share the VIP charts by accident. By accident, I do share them. Just as a special thank you for you showing up here today. So let's do some Parsec USDT. Now on Parsec, it's only available. Oh, it's on Mexi. I didn't know that. There are some times where some of these coins are available on certain exchanges. Let's do Mexi. I don't think you specified the exchange. No, okay. So let's do Mexi. Now, sometimes it won't have as much info as we'd like, but this one has plenty of info. Okay. And if it doesn't, then we just go to a different exchange where they've had the coin longer, and now we can get more price action. All right. So we're looking at the weekly. And of course, we had a low, then we had a lower low. It broke this level. Nice support. Came up here to this level. Found resistance. Okay. So what we can do here, let's do our this. Let's go to this and this. This is our candle range. So let's go ahead and do this as a red. And we can put this, and let's go ahead and do the font. Text will be 16, maybe 14. There we go. So this is our resistance zone / liquidity zone / just resistance, selling pressure, whatever you want to call it. That's what this is. Okay. Now, would I enter right now? Nope. Why? It's under resistance. Okay. So let's go to the daily time frame. Let's look at the daily. The daily looks nice. It came down and up, almost down and up, right to it, down and up, tried, and maybe third time's a charm. Third time might be a charm. We do have support right in this area. So let's go into this. Here's our nice support level. You can see that our support is fairly recent. We had support here, and it looks like we're going to have support again. It might lose its strength, though, and it might continue downward. Just the way it looks, I would definitely say that we're looking for more downside than upside. Just because we had this nice little pump, but because of the low market cap, and thank you very much, Grant, for telling me, oh, let me get rid of that. Thank you very much, Grant, for telling me the market cap, because that explains what I see. Somebody puts $5,000 into this, they're going to move the coin. And here, people move the coin, and then people just took profit. And then what I would actually do is I would set an alert right here, right above this wick. Now, one thing that I recommend, especially for the newcomers who are here, for one, smash the like. For two, share out the channel. Share out the stream. Now, I know it's a little extra work, but when you do this, I'm able to reach more and more and more people and help more and more people. Give the secrets of actual trading, not trying to bamboozle you and say, oh, I can't give you that information because you have to pay for it. $99 an hour. I'll do the private mentorship. Man, it gets me mad. Help me help those guys. Help me help others. So just give you a heads up. Set your alert above the candle bodies and the wicks. Set it above the candle bodies and the wicks. And let's see. Yeah. Just sit right there. Because more than likely, even though it shows green right here, what I think might happen, and I could be wrong, nobody knows for sure. So it can come up here, come back down, come back up, come back down, break through, come back up, and then do this number. And then we got to wait all over again. Now, one thing with me, none of these lines are, and that thing is bothering the crap out of me. 1 second, guys. Let me turn off my my sound for my camera. 1 second. Front door. No, the sound is off. Oh no, I have it on. There we go. 1. Nope, it's still on. I got a lot of cameras, guys. Let me try this one. 1 second, guys. Technical difficulties. Nope, that one's off. What other one could be picking up the sound? I don't know. So let me turn back on the volume on that other one. Okay. All right. Very good. So that's what I think on this. I would just have my alert here. Wait for my alert to go off. Then hopefully we can... 1 second. I don't know why Alexa keeps on putting up the volume. Yeah. Little one's outside. He's on the chair, just kicking back and relaxing. I had to... I was shaving Becca yesterday. They have a lot of fur. And then little one, he doesn't let me shave him. But I got three times down his back. And he's like, you know what? I'm out of here. So it usually takes me about a week to get him. For Becca, maybe like, maybe a day. I started yesterday and hopefully finished. She's pretty much like 90% done. I just need to get this part. But yeah, so that's a little bit of my story. All right. But yeah, Parsec I do like, especially the market cap. All right, let's see here. Ian says, if you can't see the value in the free group, then you're probably not cut out for trading. 100%. 100%. That is for sure. And for me, Like, it doesn't cost me anything to remove you. Like, not to sound ugly or anything, but it costs me nothing. For the people who are in the free group, like they're making money. They're making money. And if you don't find the value of that, man, you're not cut out for trading or anything for that matter. Like literally nothing. See here, Road Dog's in the house. Like the like button. Yes, definitely like the like button. Definitely like the like button. Oh, that reminds me. So I do have a series coming up on TikTok and also YouTube. Later today, I believe I'm going to have 2 videos in reference to moving averages, and then tomorrow scheduled for video on moving averages. So definitely check that out. Definitely check that out. C Tree says, are live streams times different on the weekends? Nope. 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Monday. 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, sometimes I'm thinking about, like, when we start getting really busy, as far as the market goes, I'm thinking about going live, like, throughout the day, like, just random spots, like 7 a.m., 3 p.m., 7 p.m. That'd be crazy. Man, that'd be crazy. I'd get, like, 10,000 subscribers real quick. That'd be crazy. Ondo, yes. A lot of people talk about Ondo. A lot of people talk about Ondo. We're actually in that trade. I think it went down. Let's see here. Let's look at Ondo. So let's go ahead and put this on our... Where is my YouTube? YouTube? Okay. Let's go over here. Let's go to YouTube. Man, it's about time we see some green. We're seeing red for too long. Let's right click. Let's go add selection. Let's right click on the selection. Rename this to 4624. We're already in April. We are already in April. Make sure it's there. Okay, cool. Now let's go to Ondo, USDT. Lots of people talking about this one, and I forget why they're talking about it. Why are they talking about Ondo? Partnerships, Ondo. So, it's a 1.1 billion. Oh, could it do a 3 or 5x? Yes, definitely. We're at the beginning of the bull market. We can easily do that. 3 to 5x, easy. More than likely 7. Depending on what it is. If I got a memory serving me. Real world assets, yes. I think we looked at this one last time. Working with BlackRock. That's right. That's right. That's right. Okay, 7x. Yeah. It's crazy to think about that. You know, it's $1 billion with the B. It's $1 billion. Yeah. So, good call on that. All right, let's minus that. All right, so Ondo, let's look at Ondo. Is Ondo a good time to enter? Well, let's check it out. Let's go to our daily time frame and double checking on the likes. The likes are doing really well. If we can still get some more likes, I would greatly appreciate it. Again, everything that I give to you is free. No pressure, no sales tricks, no bamboozlement, no bait and switch, no nothing. So if you like that, if you like people not taking advantage of you, smash the like. If you like people taking advantage of you, then smash the like. If you find this content to be helpful, smash the like. If you think it's dumb and like I know nothing, smash the like. All right. Now that we got the likes out of the way, let's come over here. Let's see here. I'm looking on the daily time frame. I mean, we could do a fib retracement. So we'll go from the magnet tool, always has to be on. We'll go from the swing low to the swing high. From this right here, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. And you guys are killing it with the hearts, the floating hearts. I appreciate that greatly, guys. Thank you so much for doing that. See, Jono says, essentially, smash the like. Yes. Yeah, smash the like. If you like what I'm doing, smash it. If you don't like what I'm doing, you think I'm like the biggest fraud ever, smash the like. All right, moving on. So for Ondo, we do see that we have the price action came back down to the golden pocket, which is right here. It didn't enter it, but it came right close to it, and it's right now entering, or rather, kind of balancing on the 382. This is pretty good. Right now, it's a little risky because it's right balancing on it. I would like to see if it's either a yes or a no. So what I would do, because I like this one, and the partnerships and everything else, I would actually set a lower bid down here. Now, whenever I mention bid, all it is a lower entry that hasn't been filled yet. That's it. And to make sure that we know what we're talking about, we'll just put lower entry. Okay. So there's a lower entry. And then, oh yeah, so let's do lower entry. I think it's going to come down. We're looking at the price action. Yeah, I think it's going to do this. Let's do lower entry 50%. 50%. Okay. So, but it's very important to understand, nobody knows what's going to happen. Nobody. So, because the price went up and down and up and down and getting strength and couldn't do it, getting weaker, getting strength and couldn't do it, getting weaker, I think it's going to do this. And then finally level out, and then finally break above, and then bingo bango. Bingo and a bango. That's what I think is going to happen. Let's see here. C-Tree, I love you, C-Tree. I love you so much, man. I love you so much. Let's see here. Do I have that? Okay. So let me do something for C-Tree. 1 second. One momento. This one I had him here. Nope. So let's go and do new, and let's do this. Okay. And 1 moment. Almost done. Almost done. C-Tree's referring to this guy. This jokester. So funny. So funny. Oh man, I forgot about this dude. And it's funny too, because I don't say his name on purpose. Because he knows, and everybody else knows, that if I don't say your name, I forget you. You know, I forget your name. And it's embarrassing too. You know how embarrassing it is? I didn't say my first ex-wife's name for I don't know how many years. And I ran into her brother, no, not brother, her brother's best friend. I ran into him. He was like, hey, how's it going? Blah, blah. I was like, hey, what's up, man? He goes, you don't remember me? I said, no, not really. He goes, dude, I'm such and such brother. You know, you married, blah, blah. I was like, who? I forgot my first ex-wife's name. Wow. And that's what I do. I put people who are not important to me way in the back. Way in the back, behind the cobwebs. And that's what this dude is. He ain't nothing. He ain't nothing. He's a joke. That's what he is. My cousin and I, my cousin will ask about him from time to time. I was like, who? He's like, yeah, you know, your old boss, blah, blah. I was like, oh, yeah, that dude. Yeah, yeah. And we start talking and we just start laughing, man. We start laughing. We have a good old time. Just laughing. Oh, my God. It's so hard. It's funny. Like, if y'all knew, man, if y'all knew. That's funny. All right, moving on. So back to this. Do I think it's going to come down? Yes. So what I would do is I would put my lower bid here. Then I would do this right here. I would have my alert right here. Here's my alert. This is the level it needs to break. It needs to break this level. Let's do this one. So that when it does break this level, you know, whether it's now or whenever, and we don't get alerted until now. Now we get alerted. So what we're doing when we get alerted, we're waiting to see if, in fact, it finds support on this white line. Once it finds support, now we enter. And there you go. But I do like it. Well, what about targets? Okay, let's do some targets. Now, granted, it's very important to understand because of the market cap, we're not going to be looking for a 75% gain or 120% gain, so we want something quick. So because of the market cap, we understand, let's say we enter here. Let's go for a 30, 35. And we have it underneath our level. So here we go, underneath our level. And this is just saying that, it's underneath this level that we have for our fib retracement. No, let me show you this. These are my settings. So if you want, you can pause the video. You can screenshot the settings. Always make sure the trend line is on, because this helps identify really quick if you're drawing it from left to right or from top to bottom. And I'm not lying, I'm looking at my camera. My camera is up here. This is my left. Some people will say that, well, it is true. When people look up into the left, they're lying to you. But I won't lie to you. If I would say the truth. For me, I'm old school. Like, for me, my word is my bond. And it's so funny too. The guy who I'm forgot about, my ex-boss, he would always tell me, Joe, my word is my bond. My word is my bond. Yeah, right. But mine is. I have nothing but my word. I have nothing but my name. So if I tell you something, I'm going to do it. And if I can't do it, I'll let you know. So just let you know. What my plan, my goal is to make you money. Plain and simple. Make you money. Whether it's here in the live streams that I do every single day at 3 p.m. Now, if I don't do a live stream, more than likely, I'll notify you via, Twitter or Telegram, whether it's the VIP or the free group. I'll let you know, so just kind of give you a heads up. All right, but these are my settings. Moving on. Okay, and that's it. So your target would be right around here. What time is it? Man, it's so early. Target. Boom. Bingo, bango. Let's see here. Let's see. Let me catch up on this. Update on Lambo scammer. See, ebook update. Man, I need help with that, guys. I need help with that. I asked for help last weekend, but last weekend was Easter. I was thinking about it too this weekend. It's like, man, I need help. I have, like, minimum, I have 6 things that I do at a time. Today I was doing some video editing, also putting some of it on my team as well, just to do some more video editing. We got some, results coming up. We have like a whole bunch of stuff going. And during that time, I was like, man, I need to do this ebook. I do. It just takes me too much time, and I need help. So if y'all are still willing to help, the special group that I made, let me know. And matter of fact, when I did the chart for the book of Meow, I was going to put that chart in the special group. So the people in the special group, they know what I'm talking about. I was going to put it in there for y'all. I just got busy. So, let's see here. See, Sky High 72 says, Joe, can you look at Andy on the Ethereum chains? 75 million market cap meme coin. Okay, Andy. Let's see here. Let me take off my reading glasses and let's put on. There we go. Good stuff. So let's do that one. And thank you guys for smashing the likes and the hearts and the party favors and all that stuff, because that stuff, it does help out. It really does. Whenever you're not chatting, if you could be doing the floating hearts and smiley faces and all that fun stuff, because it's engagement and it helps. Let's check out Twitter. Let's see if we have any chat in the Twitter. Let's see here. All right, so I put it in the chat for Twitter. Any questions? Because again, with Twitter, I love Twitter. Absolutely love Twitter. Let's go ahead and check this out. So make sure if you're watching this live, smash the like. If you're watching this on the replay, do hashtag replay. Hashtag replay. All right. Let's look at Andy. Let's look at this. Andy. And I'm guessing it's this one, the very first one that comes up. Okay, 74 million. Yep, that's the one. Okay, very good. So let's look at the Ethereum contract. Let's go ahead and copy this. Let's go to our charting and let's go to a DEX screener. Let's go over here to the search and let's go ahead and paste this in. It's right here. Okay, not bad. Let's go to the daily time frame. Nice, it was doing nothing, and then bingo bango. You gotta love these memes, guys. You gotta love these memes. All right, what I enter right now is kind of scary. Kind of scary. Not gonna lie, kind of scary. Let us do. Let's do a fib extension. Let's see, fib extension. Okay, and let's do a magnet tool. Let's go from. We'll do from here to here, then to here. Then let's go to the settings. Let's go to style. Let's go to take off this. Oh, there's no background. Let's go to the right. And what else? Let's put on some negatives. No, we don't need to. Oh, we'll see. Hold on. Man, I hate this. It looks so ugly. Okay, so let's do this. Okay. All right, so looking at this. Me personally, I would love to see the price action continue to come down at least until here, 5564, before it starts coming up. And then once it breaks this level of around 6468, then I would enter. I would not enter currently right now because it's on. It could be having a really nice pullback just because people are doing exactly what you want to do. They're buying low, selling high, and they see that people are selling. So more than likely, the selling will continue to hopefully. Like, this is a great level. So let's go ahead and label these. So let's go here. Nope. Let's go here. Price label. So I'm looking for it to bounce right around here, 56.9. If it doesn't, this is where I'm expecting it to bounce. Now I would enter once it breaks this level. So let's make sure we understand all this, So I'm expecting it to bounce at this level. I would enter the trade at this level once it breaks this level. And then, let's see here. If it does miraculously do what the Book of Meme is doing, where it just pulled back a little bit before it took off again, then what we could look for is the break of about this level. But would I enter right now? No. I would wait to see if it breaks this level. If it does, then I would put in maybe 50%, see how it goes and where it goes, wait for the pullback. Then as it's coming up again, enter again. That's what I would do. Now the time frame, I can do like a 1 hour time frame just because of the market cap. So, and okay, few things to take away from this. And it's very important that when you're watching this, you take notes. That the market cap plays a huge role in what time frame I use, if you haven't caught on to that already. So a large market cap, I'll do a 4 hour. A smaller market cap, I'll do a 1 hour. Why? Because the smaller market cap can move, like, it can have a 10% increase or decrease within a few minutes. The larger market cap, well, it takes a lot longer because of the large market cap. So just kind of give you a heads up on that. But this one, that's what I'm expecting. All right, good stuff. Good stuff. Let's see here. Going down the list. Let's see here. Did the Joker who drives the black Lambo show up? No. Did not show up. He's too scared. Man, he's scared. I don't even know what's going on outside his house. Not lately. Not from all the stories I've heard. Small town. Small town. Let's see. C-Tree says, will you be trading 3X? Can you teach us? 3X, are you talking about 3S coins and 3L coins? Or are you talking about leverage tokens? If you are, yes, in the VIP, I can teach you how to do that. It's very... Oh, speaking about that, I have a trade open. Yes, I'm up. All my entries didn't hit though, but I got into lever. I posted lever in the VIP. Oh, I can't post it here. I posted lever in the VIP, and then when I posted it, then I went ahead and entered a 3X leverage, and my lower entries hasn't hit or haven't hit, but I think my lower one's gonna hit. Let me... Oh, I hate all these pop-ups, man. Get out of here. So let me show you. So this is where I entered, this bottom one. This one right here is my entry to add. And I was hoping that it does come down here, hopefully bounce and comes up, but we'll see. And if not, I have a lower entry down here. But yeah, like all this stuff I show you in the VIP. Moving on. But we'll see how it goes. Oh, let me turn this. Okay. See, Mark says, I said I was telling the truth, but I was lying. Let's see here. I think he's referring to the Lambo guy. I'm not too sure. Let's see. We can help you, Joe. Yes, definitely. And that's all I'm asking, guys. Just help me. Like, I want to get this out there to everybody. Constantine says, late in tonight, struggling with the internet. Oh, that's not good. See, going down the list. Ian says, Joe, I'm here to help, mate. Just let me know what you need. Yeah. And Ian, I appreciate you, man. Yeah, so I'll more than likely do another post in the, but it's the same post though, really, in the special group that we have. C-Tree says, in the free Telegram group, you will, let's see, in the free Telegram, will you post news updates? Nah. News just for, like, what kind of news? Like, if there's something like super important, I'll post it in there. But no, because it's just going to clog it up. I'd rather post charts. Because sometimes news moves the market and sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes news helps with the FOMO, and I don't want to teach FOMO. I want to teach charts. I want to teach you how to rely on alerts. That's one thing. Let's see. Can we post in the Telegram free group? Definitely. Please. Good Lord. Please. Okay. So for one, read the posts that are in there. For two, check the pinned messages. I literally beg people to ask me questions in the group. Not only that, but send me chart. Like, there was a chart that was sent to my DM, and I replied back to them and said, hey, put this in the free group, because I know they're in the free group. I said, put this in the free group. That way everybody else can see it, and that way it'll encourage everybody else to post charts with their thought process. And then what I do, let me show you. I want to show you what I do. And this is the free group, guys. This is the free group. Watch. Just, I got to be careful with what y'all see. Okay. Joe, you're in the way. No, I'm blocking. It's strategic. Okay. So, this is the free group, okay? Here we have charts that are posted. Of course, here I do a lot of audios. This is the free group, guys. Free group. I do audios. I was talking about, missing trades. Here I'm talking about, just different, let's see here. This great people wanting to learn, directing the information is a great way to figure things out. Don't worry. This is, from members, don't worry about too many questions. Believe me, Joe is a beast for a reason. Top-notch education here, guys. I felt the same way. You will get comfortable asking questions after a while. I love questions, guys. I absolutely love questions. Here, came across question in my notes, blah, blah, and I go and I do an audio, 4 minutes of audio. Here, another question, you know, and then same thing, like I'm doing all this stuff right here. I give you audios. Here's another question, boom, audio. Here, of course, you know, here's some TikToks, you know, asking for help to help spread the word about the group. Here, you know, talking about DCAing somebody else, having other audio. I'm very, very active in the free group and in the paid group. So I want you to see something. This was at 7:39 a.m. 7:50, I replied. And that's because I was doing other stuff in other groups. Then here's one at 9:08. At 9:11, I reply. I am here for you guys 100%. 10:52, 10:56. It took me 4 minutes to do this audio. So as soon as this went, I was doing my audio. I'm telling you guys, nobody gives you this type of attention, let alone in a free group. Where in here is saying, oh, I can't give you that information, join my free group, or posting a whole bunch of results from all these other, you know, trades or whatever. Join the VIP, join the VIP, join the VIP. I don't do that here, guys. In this free group, my goal is to make you money so that you join either my VIP or somebody else's. That's my goal here. My goal here is not to say, oh, look at everything that we're doing in the VIP, and here in this free group, you're just having a room to see what we're doing. No, I'm showing you how to trade. I am very motivated. I am very motivated to make you money. Why? So you can join the VIP or another VIP. I am very dedicated to make you money. Here, let's see what else. I go over a chart. You know, I'm going over a chart. Let's see. What is this one? Okay. So let me put the audio on just really quick. I'm going to mute myself. Listen. Question asked at least once a week. And this one says, hey, Joe, do you see yourself posting more short-term to medium-term setups? You know, a few hours to a couple of days. All right, so hopefully y'all heard that. So basically they're asking, you know, as far as the terms go. And if we have something that's, you know, 18 million market cap and we have a, you know, 40% gains, all you got to do is reduce the amount of target. That's simple. Like I show you all this. Move it down to 18. You'll get that within 3 to 5 days, more than likely, if the price keeps on going up. So just kind of give you a heads up, guys. Like, I'm answering questions. I'm making videos on the questions. Nobody else does this. Guarantee it. You know, here, watch this. Hey, how's it going? All right, so here's another chart. Let's see here. So I do like this. Of course, it has the market cap, 71 million. So I know what market cap. So what I'm doing here is a chart was posted for review, which is right here. And I'm making a video on this chart. And I'm drawing on the chart and I'm explaining what I see and how I see it and what I would do different. This was an excellent chart. Hands down. Excellent chart. This is what you get in the free group. Can you imagine? Can you imagine what you get in the VIP? Get out of here. Oh my gosh. Can you imagine? This is the free group. I challenge anybody who has a group. I challenge anybody who has a group. Do what I do. Offer it for free. And if they make money with your group, for them to join your VIP. But you sell them on greed. You sell them, look at our results, look at our results, look at our results. But when they get in your group, they realize, hey, they're posting 10, 20 charts a day. They're claiming results from their YouTube that they did 8 charts on their live stream and 2 of them played out. And then they're also doing on their Discord, they posted 10 charts that day and 4 of them played out. And then they're posting on their Telegram group where they did, you know, in their free group, they posted maybe 10, 12 charts and 2 of those played out. But yet they're only showing you all those results. Boom, bingo, bango, bingo, bango. You're seeing all these results, and what happens to you? Your eyes get big. Man, this is a great group. Here's my money. Then you get in, you see what they do. It's a numbers game. Wake up, guys. I'm showing you that when I do all the waiting for you. I do all the waiting for you so that when I do post, they're ready. They are ready. Now, do they move all the time? No, they sure don't. You know, sometimes we have to wait, you know, a day or two, but usually they move. And I'm very, very motivated to make you money. And if right now the free group is full, so please don't ask. There's a huge waiting list. Please don't ask. But in the daily live streams, 3 p.m., send me your chart or ask me your charts. You know, hey, Joe, can you look up this one? And I'll give you my thought process. Now, granted, if you have the money, some people don't. If you have the money, do the VIP. Do the VIP. The way you can reach out to me, guys, it's in the description. It's also here. I just posted it. It's also going to be pinned. That's how you can reach out to me. It's on Telegram. And say, Joe, I want to do the VIP. I don't want to go through all the hours of, you know, all your videos, getting all these little gems here and there. I want your 3, 4, 5-minute videos that are very specific, to the point, no fluff, that show me how to trade from A to Z. Not only do I show you how to do chart setups, I show you how to use TradingView. I show you how about the order book. I give you everything you need to know. I give you all the knowledge that it took me forever to get. I'll break it down for you. Boom. Now, if you don't want to pay for it because you don't have money, that's fine. Learn here. I give you all of my tips and tricks for free. I just need your questions. What do you need help with so I can make you money so that hopefully you can join my group or somebody else's group? Nobody does that. They want the money up front. So if you don't like what they have to offer, whether it's their videos or their charts or whatever, it's too bad for you. No refunds. You're up a creek. This is the free group, guys. And I'm in there all the time. I'm in there and I'm in the VIP. we have videos. We have, you know, I'm showing you here as far as ton goes. I'm giving you more thought process. I'm doing an update for the free group. Who does this? Oh, we had a live stream too. Oh, in the morning. It was 1:30 in the morning. We did a live stream in the free group. Imagine what you get in the VIP. That's all I got to say. Mic drop. Mic is not a mic, but mic drop. I'm telling you guys, I challenge everybody who has a trading group. I challenge you to do what I'm doing. They won't because they're scared. Because some will make it, some won't. Yeah. Give you a heads up. All right. Bingo and a bango, guys. Bingo and a bango. Constantine said it right there. Boom. Telling you guys, I'll make you money. I will make you money. It is in my best interest to make you money. It's not in my best interest to make you join the VIP. No. It's in my best interest to make you money so that you join the VIP. You see how that works? They should try that. All the people who are trying to sell you, they should try that. But right now, of course, they're very big. They're very popular. They have all these people who are in their groups and it makes them look really, really good. And that's why people join. It's no problem. No problem. All right, moving on. Let's go. Oh man, a lot of text. Let's see here. See, Tug says, "What up, TI fam? What's going on?" So I was gonna put, no, I'm not gonna say it. All right, here we go. Let's see here. See here. Any update on the new exchange? Let's see here. 1 second. Okay. Let's see here. See, important. And do this, this, and this. Hey guys, just to give you a heads up, I'm doing a live stream right now, and you know, people are asking questions, so please let me know. Thank you. Also, did y'all watch the video that I made? All right, thanks. All right, very good. Excellent stuff. Let's see here. In reference to any updates on the new exchange, right now we're still working everything out, but we have time though, guys. We have time. We got two months, so we have time. I'm not worried about it. I'm still trading on XC, still doing futures, still doing all that fun stuff. Let's see here. Tug says, yep, want to help you out. And I appreciate you, man. Let's see. C3 says, the comments in the Joker's last YouTube are jokes. Oh, I haven't been to his page. And like, I went to his page some time ago to make comments, to say, you know, to me, it sounded all he wanted was renewals, because that's all it was, renewals. Man, it's been 6 days already. 6 days, 4,000 views.
All right, super excited.
And these people are so dumb. Let's go through this, guys, since you know we're kind of waiting a little bit. So let's look at this. All right. Let's see. Is this the real Chris or an AI version? Okay, so this person is obviously not in the group, because all of these messages, you can see it. It's in the group. Like, it's in the group. Let's see, what the F happened with Joe is the question. I like that. See, so no one's asking about Chris not showing up yesterday. Oh, that's right. You are sheep, enough said. That's funny. Chris, so he didn't show up. I forgot to ask about the update. Like, that's how non-important he is to me. I completely forgot to ask about the update. So if anybody's watching this and they are a member of that other group, he was supposed to do it on Monday, which I believe was the 1st. And it was at 7 p.m. I remember that for sure, because I remember 7. You know, hopefully I'm going to get a bunch of DMs, because I was pretty sure, because he said that at 7 p.m. They were going to have a live screen share on in the announcements channel, and it was going to be him explaining all the stuff and showing proof of the hack. I remember that, because I'm man enough to say, you know what, because I told him in his face since day one. I said, Chris, you are not hacked. This, and this. Oh, crap, I said his name. I said, you are not hacked. I said, you know, it can be explained. And it's like, no, you don't believe me, you don't trust me, you don't believe me, blah, blah. And he was just hard-headed on that. And so finally, he got upset with me enough times that I didn't believe him. He threatened my position. And I said, see ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. Later. Don't ever threaten me, let alone my position. I had the highest position in his company, a position that wasn't even created until I got there. That's how good I am at what I do, guys. That's how good I am at what I do. But this is AI generated. Sounds like someone's running out of money. That's funny. Everything was hacked, taken down, but YouTube? Random. Yep. This is an earlier video from last year. Oh, someone's smart. Someone's smart. Yeah, he put the thing up here. December 19. And it's right here, December 19. But this is raised from the dead. Great timing, man. It's December. Yeah. These people are sheep, man. Been praying for you, brother. Glad to have you back. Thanks a billion, Chris. Nice April Fool's joke. April Fool. Oh, the first. Nice April Fool's joke. Ooh, ouch. To all his members, ouch, ouch, ouch. Glad to hear you're safe and sound, sheep. No more Mickey Mouse. No more Tom and Jerry. No more jumping right into... That's funny. I haven't looked at these guys. I haven't looked at these. That's funny. Yep. That's funny. That's too funny. Good stuff. Good stuff. All right. That's good to have a joke. Good to have a laugh. I like that. Let's see here. Constantine says, nobody will ever do 5% of what you do in the free group. In a free group, yeah. Yep. Nobody will ever do what I do for free. Let's see, are we still okay using KuCoin? If you are grandfathered in, I know somebody personally that is grandfathered in, and he says he's still using it. He's had it for a long time. That's what grandfather means. And for me, as soon as they said that we couldn't use them anymore, because I was allegedly using them, I allegedly took all my money out and allegedly never went back. Now, allegedly, there is an ID that you can get. And if you want more information on that, you can contact me on Twitter. I mean, not on Twitter, on Telegram. Let's see, how many devices can I link to my Telegram account? I don't know what you mean. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think. But I mean, once you reach your limit, it'll tell you. You got to, you know, have one of them on there. I don't know what the word I'm saying. Let's see here. So information on KuCoin. See, dumb question. There are no dumb questions. In my opinion, see, dumb not to ask questions. If you don't know the answer, we're probably all been there. Joe gives us so much value. Yeah. There are no dumb questions. Exactly. So I always say that there are no dumb questions. There's either questions we've had or we haven't thought of yet. That's it. And I love questions, guys. I love them. Let's see here. Jono says someone might need to provide some more hints at who we are referring to when saying the Lambo guy. Well, hopefully by now you can put those two together. Hopefully by now. But, oh, how did that come up there? Hopefully by now. He is referring at the guy with the Lambo. And it's black. Let's see here. C-Tree, as many devices as you have. Okay, cool. Let's see here. C-Tree says CBC. Oh, man, I should read these things before I do, but I'm still going to read it though. Was number one at posting 100 charts daily and then posting 3 that broke out. I need to read these before. Crap. I need to read these before I put them up there. Let's see here. Going down the list. Let's see here. See, Tug says, that's why I joined VIP. Genuine, honest mentorship from someone giving so much value. Appreciate you, man. Tug, thank you, brother. Appreciate you. Thank you. Let's see here. Let's see. You are awesome. No, you are awesome. You are awesome. Ian says there was no updates. That sucks, man. I was looking forward to it, guys. There was no updates, no screen shares, nothing. Not even explanation, not even saying why. See, what he loves to do, when there was an admin in a very small group that was let go, I went to my ex-boss and I told him, I said, what we need to do is we need to make a statement. We need to make a statement why he was let go, etc., etc. That way it calms down any fires. And you know what his response was? No. they'll forget about them. You don't bring attention to it. Allegedly. I think that's what I remember. I have to be very careful with what I say due to the lawyers, and I know they're looking and watching. And granted, I'm not paranoid, and I laugh at the lawyers. Come at me. Come at me. I dare you. I double dog dare you. Come at me. Just know I'm way smarter than you think. Way smarter. I have evidence. Well, let's just say I have stuff that I can easily share. We'll just leave it at that, because then it can be interpreted as different things. But I just have stuff that I can easily share. But I would love for them to come at me, and we'll see what happens. Ooh. Yeah. So if any of his minions, I doubt they're still watching because they know what I'm talking about them. But if any of his minions are watching this, send him smoke signals because he doesn't use phones anymore. Yeah. I know a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. And I'm connected with a lot of people too. Not like bad people, but people in the industry. So, good stuff. All right. Moving on. People can spot good people. You know, it might take a while for the poop to settle, I guess. But it does settle. So I'll give you a heads up. Constantine says, Joe, man, you are not good at what you do. Nope. Oh, you're absolutely the best. No, you're the best. I was like, man, I'm gonna go cry. Let's see here. Going down the list, a lot of things we're doing here. I would like to see ones. Who's still in here? I would like to see ones in the chat. Ones in the chat. Who's still in here? I would like to see ones in the chat. Let's see, not this. Wrong one. I want to see ones in the chat. Man, I got too many. I have too many windows. Maybe this one? Nope. One's in the chat. Maybe this one? Oh, yeah, it's this one. Nope. Dang it. Got too many. I got like 14. This one. Nope. Dang it. How many of them can I do? This one? Nope. Dang it. This one. Finally. Good Lord. It's right there. Oh, guys, you killing it with the likes. You killing it with the likes. I love it. I love it. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. Okay, good. All right, so we're still on track. Okay, yeah, so smash the ones. I want to see who's in here. Smash the ones. Good, nice. Oh, got some new people. Awesome. Appreciate you guys. Just let you know, I am not like the other YouTubers who want to trick you into joining up for their VIP. I actually make you money. It's my goal to make you money prior to you joining the VIP. Yeah, pretty trippy, huh? I show you all my tips and tricks. I show you all my secrets. I show you everything that you need to be successful. So guess what? You can join this VIP concept. Everybody should have. Instead of, yeah, join my VIP, then you get in here and you realize that I'm giving you a crap load of charts, which is ridiculous. Anyway, moving on. Let's see here. Let's see here. Yeah, so Mexi is going to start doing KYC. But don't worry, guys. We have time. We have time to look for another exchange. And I'm actually doing that. I'm in works with an exchange right now. So please be patient. Please be patient. See here. What's this one? See, I don't anything about Bitcoin miners other than you probably make more money from investing in the coin long term. Yeah, to me it's so dumb. It really is. Because you spend 100 grand on the equipment and then to get it, you know, mined somewhere, because you don't want that in your house. Because one, it's way too loud, and two, it's way too hot. And then you don't want to have a building just for that, and you're gonna have to put electrical circuits and the whole. It's too much trouble. So what you do is you send it to a mining farm, and they mine it for you, and then of course you pay them the electricity and the upkeep and all the fun stuff. But how many years do you need to get an ROI, return on investment? Just invest in the coin. That was my biggest mistake when the top of the bull market last time around was like, man, all these people are making all this money with all these, graphics cards, the GPUs, the ASIC miners. I'm going to do the same. I made a lot of money, guys. I made a lot of money last bull run. So now I'm diversifying. Put some money here, put some money here, put some money here. Bought GPUs, bought ASIC miners. I did all that dumb stuff. Plugged them in, got them working, figured out how to get them working. And then it starts making me coin. Awesome. Paying electricity. Okay, fine. Eventually it's going to be free after 2 years. Oh, yeah. I didn't think about that part till after the hype. Then, of course, the coins went down. So now it's looking at maybe 4 years before ROI. And that's if my equipment stays. And then I was thinking about it. Let's just say I'm paying, I don't know, let's say $20 a month for electricity just for that little mini ASIC miner. Let's just say $20 a month extra on electricity. Why wouldn't I just get that $20 a month and just buy the coin and DCA every month? And that $1,500 that I spent on that machine, why don't I just divide that up too? And instead of $20, let's say I'd put $35 or even $40 every month. Bingo bango. Bingo bango. You make more money not mining. I have miners. They're in the closet. I don't have them plugged them in. I might plug them in when maybe another 2 months, 3 months, so that the electricity that I am spending, $20, $30, whatever it's going to be less than if I was actually to buy the coin. So give you a heads up. Let's see here. Okay. Going down the list. Oh, that's right. I think there was something about that. KYC, no KYC for existing members, but new members, they're going to have to do it. I think I saw that. On one of my emails. Let's see here. C-Tree says, I have friends that have reported Lambo Guy to their credit card companies about his scamming group. Oh, nice. Okay, so we got plenty of people here. See, Mark says, I had an account for a year, so I assume everyone going forward. I think so. I think everybody, I think I read that somewhere. Let's see here. Joe cares. Yes. Yes, I do. C-Tree says, what's Odom saying about Lambo Guy? There's talks around the town. Let's see here. Sky High 72 says, hey Joe, can you go over swing trading because of time constraints? Yes. So you have scalp trading. So that's usually within a few minutes to hours. You have day trading, which is usually about a day, maybe 2, 3. Then you have swing trading, which is, I consider it 3 to 5 days, 7 days. This is the crypto world. For stocks, it's completely different. You just magnify it by like 10 or more. So that's swing trading, 3 to 7 days about. Then you have midterm holds. Could be anywhere from, I'd say, 3 months to 6 months. And these are all just guesstimates, just depending on your personal stuff. And my numbers change all the time. Then you have long-term holds. In my opinion, those are anything longer than 13 months. So just kind of give you a heads up. But Joe, you have a lot of gaps in between. It's not set in stone. It changes. So with that being said, how do you go about trading? Well, don't make this harder than it needs to be. Please. So many people do because so many people have programmed you to, gosh darn it, I am over my time. It's all that talking I did. Because I literally talked for 45 minutes. Literally, I saw the time. So let's look at So write this stuff down, guys. Write this stuff down. I wish, man. He made me change everything the day I stepped down. Yo, run with the Bills. It's on that dude. I wish. No. Yeah, he made me change everything the day, like that next morning at 7 a.m. He called me. Joe, I need my modem. This dude is multi-millionaire. He needs his $100 modem that he already has service at his house. And I was mad. I said, don't you ever effing call me in. I would cuss at him. I said, don't you ever effing call me at 7 in the morning for something like this. I said, matter of fact, don't ever call me again. I said, you want to talk to me? You talk to me when you pick up the rent, or when I give you the rent, or something like that with the rent. And for the rent, it was for the land, because he gave me this mobile home, or so I thought. He took his word back. Anyway, not going to get to that. Then he messaged me saying that he needed the router too. And I'm thinking, this dude, like, he's acting like a hurt little girlfriend or something. You know, oh, I gotta take my scarf and my whatever, my socks, and I was like, dude, really? I said, yeah, no problem, man. It's outside. Don't worry about it. So yeah, it's just dumb. And he didn't need it. He just knew that I would have to spend money to get it, and to get the service under my name and everything else. He did so many things that were so petty that he didn't need to do, but he did it just to, like, I don't know. But dude's a joke. And karma is real. Shoot, man, I saw it with him. Big time. Let's see here. All right, good stuff. All right, so in reference to trading, you guys are making it way more difficult than you need to. Think about it. If you have a coin that's $1 billion in market cap, it's going to move much slower. So that means it's going to go up slower. It's going to go down slower. So what you could do is, let's say you are looking at this coin and you're very busy. You know, you work 3 jobs, you have 4 wives, you have 18 kids, you have pets that require walking, 3 times a day, and you're extremely busy. Do you want to get into a coin that's going to move fast or slow? Well, that depends on you. Do you want gains fast or slow? Let's say you want gains fast. Okay. First thing you do is you do not look at a large market cap coin. A $1 billion coin is going to move slower. So again, the thing that I do is I show you the fundamentals. I give you a strong foundation. Now it's up to you to build on that foundation. So knowing that a large market cap takes a long time to move and you want something quick, you're not going to pick a large market cap coin. You're going to pick something small, maybe under 500 million, maybe even 300 million. The lower you go, the higher risk it is, because it can move very fast. It can also move very fast. So just to let you know, all these tips and tricks that I'm showing you, write them down. Do not rely on your memory, so that when trading gets slow, you can review your notes. I have my notes right there. I showed them to you last time, so kind of give you a heads up. I also have my other notebook right here. Make sure I don't have anything on it. I also have my notebook right here. So just to kind of give you a heads up, guys. If you want a coin that is going to be longer term, okay, set your targets higher. Pretty easy, right? If you want them shorter term, set your targets lower. And now all this, please do not take this as condescending. This is just putting one and one together. All this stuff, it's like, right now, it's the Miyagi part. Wax the floor, wax on, wax off, paint the fence. Right now, this is that moment. Because before, I'm showing you all these tips and tricks. And right now, you're trying to apply it to your specific needs. So right now, I'm telling you, wax the floor. I'm telling you. Paint the fence. Ice. Always look ice. Without the S. That's exactly what's happening right now. If you want to have a coin that's going to give you slower gains, but safer, you pick a larger market cap coin. Just like that. Let's see here. Put your old mining rigs on eBay and then invest the money you get from them. You'll make money. Yep. And I'm pretty sure I'll do that maybe in like 6 months. Once it starts getting like everybody's doing that. So we'll see. See TMZ. Oh man, I need to read these things. Crap, Roni. How do I delete that? Okay, there we go. I really need to read these things before I click on it. But TMZ, that's funny. Okay, so that's it, guys. We are over the time by 20 minutes. If we can do a 1 in the chat one more time, just so I can give you all a shout out. I would really like to give you all a shout out. Everybody who joined the stream today, I greatly appreciate you. We do this every single day at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We showed you what we do in the free group. Imagine what we do in the paid group. Just imagine that. All right, guys. In 3, 2, 1. Always with the awkward outro. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Story time. Guys, I am so proud you're here. I'm so happy you found me. Again, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, blah, blah. I don't have hand gestures for the other ones, but you know what I mean. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure your notification bell is on to all. We do this every day, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure to follow me on Twitter. I do posts on there. I'm going to start doing some more charts for free there. Since the free group is closed for right now, there might be some openings fairly soon. Either people joining the VIP from the free group because they've made money, or people that we've just let go because they're not contributing to basically helping me out. So just to let you know, the ones that don't contribute, that don't help out, they will be removed, and of course they cannot come back for a year. Plain and simple. Everything I do is very very transparent. I don't hide anything from you. Very transparent. If you want in the group, you have to do certain things, and we're just helping out. And if you don't, no problem. There'll be 10 other people waiting for your spot so they can make money for free. All right, guys, with that being said, I gotta do that awkward looking down again. I do thank you guys so much. We'll see you on the next video, on the next live stream, and maybe even a screen share. Today's Saturday. I forgot what day it was. Thank you so much, guys. I know we're so late. All right. Let's see here. Lenny Kid said, I'm behind. Had a shower. 32 minutes in the past. It's all good, brother. It is all good. I do thank you so much. Just to let you know, Lenny Kid is my favorite. Lenny Kid is my favorite. Of course, Ian's my favorite too. C-Tree, don't get jealous. C-Tree, you my favorite. Tug is my favorite. C-Tree already knows. Mark is my favorite. But you know who's not my favorite? You know who's not this guy. What? He's peeking around. He's peeking around the corner when he can. We got C10 Chevy guy. We got C10 Chevy guy, my favorite. We got Sky High 72. Appreciate you so much. Constantine, my buddy. You guys are great. You guys are great. We got Grant the man. Thank you so much for being here. You guys are the absolute best. I can't say this name, and I do apologize. I'm really dumb when it comes to reading. But one thing I don't forget how to do is, of course, make money. So I just want to let you know that you're my favorite, even though I can't pronounce your name. I do thank you so much. Let's see here. Did I forget anybody? Did I forget? We got, let's see here. Zyfril? I can't, I'm just going to call you Z. We got Z in the house, but Z no longer here. Z took off. He's like, dude. We got Dave. What's up, Dave? Love you, man. You're my favorite too. You're my favorite. And I believe that's everybody. I believe that is everybody. If I have skipped you, make sure to put a 1 in the chat. If I have skipped you, make sure to put a 1 in the chat. All right, so I believe that is all. Dave P's in the house. Of course, can't forget my favorite, Dave P. Seed Tree, I did not forget about you. You're my favorite. Man, I called you out a long time ago. All right, guys. I do thank you guys so much for showing up today. And we will see you later on. Take care, guys. Let's jam out. Let's jam out. All right. This dude's a joke. We'll laugh at him. I need to call my cousin today so we can laugh at this dude again. Man, I almost peed my pants last time. I'm laughing so hard. Good Lord. Next time we talk about him, I need to wear some Depends. That's for sure. All right, guys. Take care. Y'all be good. Be safe. Trade safely. And we'll talk to you later on. Take care. Jam out. Maestro. Play some music. 10 seconds. And then we're out of here. Let's go. Very clever. Very clever. I like that.